are happy for needle injection pressure bench. Also, we complete the injector and pump repair tools and repair spare parts. All spare parts for the diesel engine. Today, we show you our tools and spare parts for QSK19 injector. We take two model tools here. This one is for testing, repair, and measuring, and another one, simple one, for the testing. We will show you the two model tools.
Hello. This one is simple model, only for testing. This is a injection oil collector. And with a BIP sensor. This one is the return oil collector. The screw and the pressure valve installed here. Then install two test bench to test. This one is complete model. Can test measurement and repair. This is adapter. Fixture. And this one is for solenoid valve. This one for nozzle nut. Then put two bench clamp to dismounting the injector. Screw and the pressure valve. Tools for oil seal. And measurement tools.
For AHE, usually.
Okay, that's all. If you only want to test the injector, you can choose this one. If you want to test and repair, you need to choose this one. Also, we have repair kits and the spare parts, valve and nozzle for this injector. And we have repair kits for the QSK19 pump. And this is our own brand, BIP. Top dealer.
Okay, these two model tools for the QSK19 injector. Also, our machine, this for mechanical part. Commercial injector. Commercial injector and pump. Also, many new fancy model test bench. If any model you interested in, you can contact with us. Also, welcome to our factory. Okay. Thank you for watching our live review.
Thank you.
See you next